Is your bathroom cleaning routine literally flushing money down the toilet? I spent weeks testing the most popular cleaners on the market to find out which ones actually destroy stains and which ones just make your bathroom smell like a chemical factory. In this video, I am breaking down the top 7 toilet bowl cleaners, ranking them from my least favorite to the absolute best. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which product will save you time and save your knees from hours of kneeling on the bathroom floor. 7. Scrubbing Bubbles Fresh Gel. This is one of those products that you see everywhere and feel compelled to try because the concept seems so fun. You get a little plastic dispenser that looks like a syringe, and you stamp a gel disc inside your toilet bowl. The idea is that every time you flush, water runs over the gel, creating a little foam and releasing a fresh scent. In theory, it sounds like a great way to keep things fresh between deep cleanings without having to touch anything gross. However, my experience with the application was a bit mixed. You have to press the dispenser against the inside of the bowl and push a button to release the gel. It takes a bit of practice to get the pressure right. The first time I tried it, the gel didn't stick properly and just kind of slid down the ceramic, looking like a sad, colorful blob. Once I finally got a good stamp, it sat there under the rim, waiting for the next flush. It definitely looks distinct, but I have to say, staring at a gelatinous puck stuck to the side of the bowl isn't exactly the high-end aesthetic I want for my bathroom. The biggest issue I found during testing is that it doesn't really clean the bowl in the way you might expect. It definitely releases a strong floral fragrance, almost too strong if you have a small bathroom, but the cleaning action is very localized. Number 6. Lysol Toilet Bowl Cleaner. This is the bottle you probably grew up seeing in your parents' cleaning cabinet. It's affordable, available at literally every grocery store, and promises to power through the toughest stains with its thick blue liquid. I picked up a bottle expecting it to be the reliable workhorse of the group, and in some ways it is. The angled neck is undeniably useful for getting the liquid right up under the rim where the bacteria like to hide. When I applied it, the blue liquid coated the bowl nicely. It's thick enough that it clings to the sides rather than immediately running down into the water, which gives the chemicals time to break down stains. I let it sit for about 10 minutes to do its work. As far as lifting standard dirt and grime, it works. When I came back to scrub, the brush moved easily and the bowl looked visibly cleaner after a quick swish and flush. However, the smell is something we need to talk about. It is aggressive. As soon as I squirted it into the bowl, the entire bathroom was filled with a harsh, chemical, bleach-like odor that burned my nose a little. It smells clean, sure, but in a very industrial, institutional way. If you are sensitive to strong fumes, this might give you a headache. It lingered for hours after I had finished cleaning, leaving the room smelling sterile, but not necessarily pleasant. 5. Zep Acidic Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Now, if you have a toilet that looks like it has been neglected for years, or if you live in an area with incredibly hard water, this is the heavy artillery you call in. Zep is a brand usually found in hardware stores and used by janitors, and testing this product made me realize why. It is not playing around. The formula is 10% acid, specifically designed to eat through rust, calcium, and limescale that regular soaps can't touch. Using this product felt different from the first two. You have to be careful. I highly recommend wearing gloves and maybe even eye protection because this is a strong acid gel. The liquid comes out easily and clings well to vertical surfaces. The scent was a surprise. Instead of the harsh bleach smell of the Lysol, Zep has a strong wintergreen scent. It's still chemical heavy, but the minty undertone makes it slightly more bearable, although I wouldn't call it natural by any stretch. I tested this on a guest bathroom toilet that had developed a stubborn ring of hard water deposit right at the waterline. I had tried scrubbing it with other cleaners to no avail. I applied the Zep gel, coated the ring thoroughly, and stepped away for the recommended wait time. The bottle says to give it a few minutes, so I gave it 5. When I came back, I didn't even have to scrub hard. The acid had chemically dissolved the mineral buildup. 4. Vacplus VA-T165. We are shifting gears here from liquids to automatic tank tablets. The appeal here is obvious: laziness. We all want a product that does the work for us, and Vacplus promises exactly that. You get a box of these small blue tablets wrapped in a thin film. The instructions are simple. Do not unwrap the film, just drop the whole thing into the corner of your toilet tank away from the valve. I dropped one in and waited. The water-soluble film dissolved within minutes, and slowly, the water in the tank turned a deep, rich blue. The next time I flushed, the blue water swirled into the bowl, which was oddly satisfying. It gives you a visual confirmation that the product is working. I really like the convenience factor. There is no squirting liquid, no fumes, and no immediate scrubbing required. It works passively with every flush to break down organic matter. Over the course of a week, I noticed that the bowl stayed cleaner than usual. The blue water contains detergents that help prevent that pinkish slime ring from forming at the waterline. It's a great maintenance product. Every time you visit the bathroom, the blue water makes the toilet look sanitary and cared for, which is a nice psychological bonus for both you and your guests. However, it is important to manage expectations. These tablets are not going to scrub off old, caked-on debris. 3. Fluidmaster 8302P8. This is where things get technically interesting. If you have ever been told by a plumber never to put bleach tablets in your tank because they rot the rubber flapper and cause leaks, this product is the answer. Fluidmaster has designed a brilliant system that hangs inside your tank but injects the cleaning solution directly into the overflow tube, bypassing the tank water entirely. Installation was surprisingly easy. I was intimidated at first, thinking I'd need tools, but it really just clips onto the back of the tank. You disconnect the little refill tube and plug it into the Fluidmaster cartridge. It took me maybe 3 minutes total. Once it's installed, you are done. You don't have to touch it again for months. This set it and forget it aspect is a huge win for anyone who hates bathroom chores. The cleaning performance is stellar. Because it injects a concentrated bleach solution directly into the bowl with every flush, it hits the porcelain with fresh chemicals every time. During my testing period, my toilet bowl remained impeccably white. There was absolutely no ring formation, and the water always looked crystal clear. It felt like having a brand new toilet every single day. The best part is the protection it offers your toilet's internal components. I checked the tank after a few weeks, and the water inside was just plain tap water, no bleach smell, no discoloration, and no damage to the rubber seals. 2. Kaboom Toilet Bowl Cleaner. This operates on a very similar principle to the Fluidmaster, attaching to the tank and injecting cleaner into the bowl via the overflow tube. However, Kaboom uses the power of OxiClean instead of straight bleach, and that distinction made a real difference in my testing experience. Installing the Kaboom system was just as straightforward as the Fluidmaster. It clips onto the tank, you route the tubes, and you snap in the purple tablet cartridge. The system feels sturdy and well made. What I immediately preferred about the Kaboom system was the scent, or rather the lack of one. While the Fluidmaster had that swimming pool chlorine smell, the Kaboom system felt much more neutral. It just smelled clean without assaulting my nostrils. The OxiClean formula is incredibly effective. I watched this system work over 2 weeks, and the results were impressive. It seemed to polish the bowl with every flush. The water sparkled, and the ceramic surface felt slicker, preventing waste from sticking in the first place. It creates a foam that isn't too bubbly, but clearly signals that cleaning agents are active. Another massive pro is the longevity of the cartridges. They seem to last a bit longer in my tests than the competition, maintaining their effectiveness right up until they needed replacing. Changing the refill is also easier. You just unscrew the cap and pop a new tablet in. No mess, no touching chemicals, no blue dye on your hands. Number 1. BLUELAND Toilet Bowl Cleaner. This product completely changed my perspective on what an eco-friendly cleaner can do. Usually, when you hear eco-friendly, you assume you are trading effectiveness for sustainability. BLUELAND proves that you can have both, and honestly, it was the most enjoyable product to use out of the entire lineup. BLUELAND works with a forever tin system. You buy a beautiful reusable metal tin and order refill tablets that come in compostable paper packaging. No plastic waste, period. When I dropped the tablet into the bowl, the reaction was immediate and vigorous. It fizzed and foamed up like a bath bomb, much more actively than any other tablet I tested. It covered the water surface in a thick, white foam that actually looked like it was scrubbing the bowl for me. The scent is phenomenal. I tested the lemon peppermint version, and it smelled like a high-end spa, not a chemical lab. It uses essential oils, so the fragrance is light, natural, and refreshing. It made the task of cleaning the toilet actually pleasant, which is a sentence I never thought I would write. You let the tablet fizz for a few minutes, and then you scrub. And does it scrub? The gritty texture of the tablet before it fully dissolves acts as a mild abrasive, helping the brush scour away stains without scratching the porcelain. I was shocked at how easily it lifted grime. Final thought, that's all for today, folks.